I'm ready for another one. Okay. Huh. These rocks have some challenge. A wee bit of angst, confusion, not knowing what to do, where to go. But it's very simple. All the rocks need to do is just be present, and then once present with what is, the rocks start to shift energy. And there's a tremendous amount of love, spiritual love in these rocks. And there's some strength in the rocks as well. Rocks don't believe that, the rocks don't exactly believe that they are as strong as they are, that they are. These are rocks that are processing some intense emotions.
Now let me ask you a question. Those rocks processing, would that catalyze the processing of emotions in a person?
Probably, yeah. Because what happened was when I don't know though if the person would have to be. I don't know enough about the rocks to know if I don't know if it's me or the rock, that I'm being present with the rocks and I'm helping the rock to release, or if the rock is naturally. Let me tune in. These rocks have just a natural, real beautiful spiritual energy. Very, very beautiful spiritual energy. It's funny how these rocks work, because I really can relate to it, because I've had similar experiences where I know, like, there's a truth and there's a fear of, like, claiming one's power in the truth.
You dig through the shit?
It's actually simpler than that. It doesn't even require a tremendous amount of digging. It's just that there's a fear of acknowledging one's spiritual power. And so with that fear, when you suggest, oh well, you really are strong, you really do have the wherewithal, the rock kind of freezes up and goes a little spastic. But then it starts to release. So I'm not sure if it's I'm not sure how the person would have to interact with the rock. You'd have to try it on other people to know whether it's me that's interfacing with the rock and in a neutral place. How that rock would work with somebody who had a lot of self-doubt would be really interesting. Because it's so free of angst. Underneath it all, it's like, oh my God, it's like, this is the most spiritual of the rocks you've given me. It's the most,
Let me give you my perception of something. Experiencing the polar opposites of duality at the same time.
Oh, wow.
Is that?
Yeah, because there's this like, really like spiritual faith that doesn't question, and then there's this total doubt. It's like the two are coexisting and you're going, what is this?
Oh my God. Okay, so that correlates with what you said about being the most spiritual rocks I've ever given you, because
not the most spiritual, but of this group.
Okay, yeah, okay, cool. Because the further you get on each polar opposite, the more you can encompass.
Yeah,
the more you experience.
There's a holistic feeling about this set of rocks. very holistic, very encompassing, and I'm not sure whether it's bringing up some of the, my like latent fear or doubt and to clear it, or whether it's in the rocks themselves. It's hard for me to tell.
Yeah. Well, I like
but it's interesting because I'm here where it's hitting is right here, which is just a little bit below. There's a kind of a sub chakra below the belly button chakra.
Okay. Yeah.
That's my teacher in Chicago. She called it the chakra of covenants. That you allow all contracts to be converted to covenances. Soul covenances. So when we're in a karmic relationship with someone or something, that there can be hooks into that chakra, and I'm feeling that there's this lightness in that area. So yeah, I think this rock is a really profound healing. These stones are really profound healing stones. At a deep spiritual level. And if someone was really stymied by a situation, they didn't know how to work through it, these rocks could be really helpful to clear any set that I'm supposed to do this, I'm supposed to work this way.
I would stop at supposed to clear.
Pardon?
Supposed to clear. You know what I mean? You follow with clear what? But the clear, the transmutation, the turning it from that to, from dark to light, from deadly to healthy. Sort of, because, can I share with you? When you bring this rock into an area that's saturated in radioactivity, it neutralizes the radioactivity. So look at that transmutation that goes on through science, okay? Now apply it to, it's Shungite.
Oh my God, so it's like the radioactivity of the soul it can work with.
Okay.
Those radioactive, those aspects of the soul that, are can literally kill the soul, kill the being. You know what I mean? Self-destructive qualities.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of thinking that what it was doing was pulling up my some old tapes for me because yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, that's profound. That is really profound.
Would it be safe to say it's like it shines the light on the dark side of you?
Oh, absolutely.
Identifies the shadow.
Yeah, I super identifies the shadow. That's why I wasn't sure. It would be a rock that's for a truth seeker.
Yeah.
Not somebody who's in denial because it's going to push things
up.
Oh,
I love it.
Yeah, this is not rocks for people in denial because it's going to bring stuff up.
It's going to show you the truth.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Wow. Pretty awesome. Those rocks rock.
Thank you so much.